Did you know that the title of the deadliest animal might surprise you? It's not the fierce lion or the giant shark, but the tiny mosquito. These small insects are responsible for over 800,000 of deaths every year by spreading diseases like malaria, dengue, and Zika. When mosquitoes bite, they can transfer viruses and parasites from one creature to another, making them super dangerous. But on the bright side, it is said that only less than 10% of mosquitoes carry diseases dangerous to human. There are other animals with venom and strength, but nothing kills more people than this annoying little creature. It's fascinating how something so small can be more dangerous than the biggest predators.